Look at the difference in size. I told you I think he's closer to 235 than 225.
Mike Rogers, center of your screen in lane 5, will be the one to watch. DK Metcalf, second from the far right. Second heat of the Nike Men's 100. Metcalf's hanging with them at the moment. It's fairly even. DK's doing a good job. On the inside, though, CJ Ujar and Mike Rogers. That was close. 10-12, the winning time.
He did not embarrass himself.
Not at all.
He hung with the pack. Yes, I think he's 8th, but he ran well.
DK, you ran 10:36. That's your time that you came in here today. Your thoughts on just how you performed?
Man, just happy to be here. Excited to have the opportunity. Just thank God for, the opportunity to just come out here and run against world-class athletes like this.